Welcome to English Pulse. You're listening to Nirupama Aradhya. So, how to learn English on your own, step by step. So, start with writing a English diary. Get a book. Whatever you're doing, note it down. Write at least 5 to 10 lines daily about your day. Simple sentences. Just write it down. Just watch and observe what could be your difference. Next, you can watch daily life vlogs in English. There are a lot of people who are doing vlogs in English. YouTube, Instagram. Just see on the vlogs and learn how native speakers talk in normal life situations. So that will be a very educative aspect for your English learning on your own. Next, you can follow English learning Instagram pages. There are a lot of Instagram pages, even I personally follow. I tell you, it's such a safe space for us. Really, guys, just go on, say those pages, hit follow their pages. Such exciting content they come up with. I really appreciate them. Okay, get new words, phrases, tips, in short, daily posts, keep an update. Then English songs. I tell you, I love English songs like anything. Just turn on the TV with the lyrics, dance and sing. I tell you, the way we learnt rhymes at pre-nursery and Montessori, we learn the songs the same way, and wherever you are singing it, it will be like you will be in space, just like Sunita Williams, you will be in the space. I tell you, have that space of your own for the language. Next, you get to listen to songs and which will improve your fluency naturally. Play, pause and sing along. Next is, I tell you, with your voice future, use that Google Translate. Any native language, let it be. If you want to get it translated to English, use the technology to your best extent. Next is, speak in your language, check English translation, then repeat. Okay, that would be the best thing happening on earth. Next, practice role play speaking. Act like customer, act like shopkeeper, act like a teacher. Practice dialogues aloud. Create your own shorts or reels. I tell you, all these role practices will help you a lot. Okay, whatever in role you are, and if you want to speak like a traveler, like a tourister, like a cameraman, if you travel to any country and you want to talk, just take that up. Then create your own shorts or reels. Let it go viral, da. Just speak your language out. I tell you, don't get hesitant. It will improve. You are there on that stage. Let that spotlight be on you. But don't let that dream of speaking in English down. Never let you feel inferior about yourself. Next is, when you speak for 30 to 60 seconds on any topic, upload it for fun or practice. Just live the live moments of your life. Don't mock or don't do any dramas. If you are rehearsing something, put it as, whatever you call it, put them. I'm running short of words. Put in the comments what I had to use there. Yeah, this way we can communicate at least. Is it? Then label everything in your room. If you can't get a thing, name of that thing, just label it. Take a sheet of paper, write it, put a plaster and stick to it so that you get the name of that thing easily. Then when you can easily find vocabulary visually, later you can take up some challenges, just like take a 30-day English speaking challenge where you follow Instagram or YouTube and you stay connected to those challenges and you stay consistent with the language. Watch English cooking and DIY videos. I tell you, they're so cute, Even though we can't implement the way they implement it, It's so nice to view on the. By this, I don't mean to tell you that get hooked to the screens and trouble your eyes. No, but it's so pleasant, even though it's quite mundane, you get a lot of pleasure to it. So next, learn common verbs, instructions in simple English. Write comments in English on social media. Go. We have the comments box open. Let the public see your language. So comment in the social media. Practice real world conversation and especially in the comment sections. Let not your comments go waste. Then chat with AI. Chat with AI tools in English. Use ChatGPT, English chat bots for daily conversation practice. I tell you, AI can talk to you the best. And if you are an iPhone user, Siri is there. Don't forget Siri. Talk to her. She's going to talk to you very easily. So if you don't have any friend, I tell you, as an iPhone user, I love Siri a lot. So if I'm bored, I talk to Siri. Okay, you have Google Assistant also, Android users. I don't want to disappoint you. Next, watch interviews of celebrities. Steve Harvey, I love him. Tell you, the way he takes up the shows, I've watched his every show without missing. Watch shows like that. It also inspires and motivates you and also improvise your language skills. Then okay, fine, you will observe their speaking style, phrases and expressions while you're watching celebrities interviews. Next, you play audiobooks. Just when you're just sleeping, and if you want some good imagination ringing in your head in the language when you're sleeping, just take up the audiobooks. It will be a passive listening and it will improve your ear. It will tune in the ear to listen to such accents of English. Create a vision board in English. Goals, dreams, affirmations. Stick it on the wall. Make it beautiful. Let it be visible to you all the time. It will manifest the language by itself. Then read children's English storybooks. If you have a kid running around here and there, just bring him or bring her, make her sit on your lap. Spend time with them. I tell you, in the way of teaching children language, you refine your language a lot. And I have been observing it since months. I have small kids in my neighborhood who love to talk with me, play with me. I just grab them, get the books. I'll sit with them. It will, remind me of all those days learnings I did. It will be a refresh mode button on in your head. So do that. Children's story books, simple vocabulary, easy grammar, and perfect for beginners, I say. Next is use online pronunciation tools. Google, if you give the word on Google, there is a speaker where you can listen to the word, are you pronouncing it good? So there is a standard phonetic table where most of us are unaware, but learning that will enhance so that they will be giving those in symbols. So phonetics and linguistics are associated with this good pronunciation of the words. So try to get a bit of idea on that so that you will be pronouncing the letters apt. But I tell you, some of its identity is created by their own, which makes it very variant in the language speakers itself. So fine, try to adhere with the rules, but if you are able to stand out very unique out of your own league in language speaking, that's also fine. I would encourage that, but it would not result in a good thing. It would be a disrespect to what they have formulated, but still, go ahead, communicate, put it out. Don't keep it inside your heart. Talk it out. Next is use online pronunciation tools, as I said, like Forvo or Google. I told Google. Next is watch English stand-up comedy. Yeah, I initially started watching Kenny Sebastian. His videos are really, I tell you, they are heart openers. I like Kenny Sebastian videos a lot. So if you find any other popular comedians, stand-up comedians on the platforms, go, even share with whom you are talking to. Okay, then when you're learning those informal language expressions and humor style, definitely you will get a routine after all these things. So, morning you set the routine: listening practice, afternoon reading practice, evening speaking practice, night when you feel drowsy after a nice dinner, try writing down what all went throughout the day. Then I tell you, whatever you have learnt in this process, teach it. Teaching is like a catharsis. The more you learn, the more you teach, the recycling will happen. Definitely, your language will improve. It improves your confidence and memory. So, what is the final motivation line I would like to tell is English is not a subject, it's a skill. Skills are built daily, I say. So, start today and be consistent, and very soon, English will be your habit. You are going to master English, and English will be yours for sure. Hope I met what you wanted to hear. So go like this video, share your comments, and come up with more ideas what you want me to talk. And I know I have a lot of errors while I speak. If I have them, yes, I'll make this platform to improvise on what I'm talking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like us, English Pulse.